Hi, my name is Tom, I'm from the Blackwood area, and I'm on the Games Art and Design course. I've chosen this course because I was always interested in video games and the 3D world and the 3D industry. I watch a lot of game development stuff in my free time. The thing I like most about this course is how much it allows you to be creative, how much freedom it gives you, and especially working in a group, those kind of interactions and that kind of creativity can really blossom into something really awesome, and it makes for some amazing outcomes in the end. I chose Colour Gwent because I'd done a course previous to this and I already knew a lot of the tutors and they're all fantastic to work with. The course was also cheaper than all of the other courses that do this kind of thing, and I also like this course because it is far more local than going to places like Cardiff for me. Some of the best things here about studying at Colour Gwent is that the students have all come together and built a really fun and really uplifting community. We have a Discord server which we all talk in all the time and we all share our work, and it's really good for upping morale and just showing off everyone's creative side. We also have some of the best computers that you can get on the market right now. We have the 30 series of graphics cards, which are the best you can get right now. These computers can handle pretty much anything. My long-term goals are to be a 3D artist in the visual effects industry or the game industry. I either want to be creating 3D characters and creating them to making them look absolutely insane and full of character, or I want to be doing things again in the film industry, creating really cool cinematic masterpieces.